Good morning. This is Amira right here. Amira, you want to say hi? Yeah. Let's say hi to them. That's my baby. So we just came back from the boys' school. I just dropped Alhamil. I dropped Paris at the daycare, and I dropped Alamina at the school. So I just came to Lidl. You guys can see, to buy a few things. So right now I'm very hungry. I'm realizing to having something. So I'm just going to try to eat one banana before I start going home, because honestly I need strength to walk home. I didn't eat dinner last night. Oh, because I'm trying to lose it. Oh yeah, I didn't eat dinner last night, so I'm very hungry. So I'm just gonna have this banana and then I'm gonna proceed to the house. We're gonna walk to the house. No train, no bus, nothing, just walking. It's about, let's say, 15 minutes walk or more. Yeah. Guys, we are back home. Amira is down here. She'll say hello to you later. So I'm about to eat. Hey Amira, must you show yourself? Must you show yourself? Okay. She said, no. You want to show yourself? Okay. You want to show yourself? Okay. Say hi. Good girl. Guys, I'm really starving, so I'm about to eat now. And you guys, you won't believe what I'm about to eat. I'm ready to rush. Let me get water, okay? We'll be back very soon. You guys, this is water. And this is Gary. This is Gary. You guys, I love Gary so much. Like, it's been a while I've had Gary. So yesterday when my husband went to work, I begged him that please, when you're coming back, let me get peanuts. So this is peanuts. Epa. So today, this morning, like it's to 12. Yeah, to 12. So I'm going to be having Gary and Epa. So yeah, I normally don't take my Gary with sugar. I don't take Gary with anything, just Gary and peanuts. Yes, baby? You can't eat this. You can't eat this. I'm sorry. And if there's no peanuts, it means there's no Gary. Like, I can't take my peanuts without Gary. So, to be honest, guys, I would normally use my teeth to cut this thing. But for the sake of YouTube, let's respect ourselves, you know, and use scissors. Take Mommy John, okay? Guys, come and join me. Hunger is not good for the body. So it means that I'm able to finish this jar of water, meaning this one, and I'm going to drink this one now. Woof. Empty. Water is good for the body. Amira. Amira. Say ma. Say ma.
Mom.
Yes. You want to eat that peanut?
No.
No, mommy cannot give you peanut. You cannot chew peanut yet. Guys, now Amira is sleeping and I'm just gonna start preparing lunch right now. From the store. You guys saw me buying those things. I'm just gonna do the camera like this. So I got this from Lidl. Look at this. So the original price was about €2 or 2 point something euro, but I paid €1 for this because look, this place is a little bit broken. So I just called one of the cashier that this is broken. Can I get discount if I buy this? And she said, of course, yes. So why not? I know I can just manage this, like it's not a big deal for me. I can actually fix it. Yeah. It's fixed. Yeah, it's fine now. So €1. And I love it so much. So I have my boiled egg here. Can you guys see? Here I have beans that we had yesterday, the leftover of the beans. I'm going to be putting this in a container right now. So this afternoon I want to cook ofada rice. I want to cook ofada rice, so that was why I bought this green paprika. I'm going to be mixing it up with a little bit of this. Yeah. So this is what it's looking like right now. Can you see? I'm just gonna leave it on stove so that the water can dry up a little bit. Straight to the fridge. It wasn't this thick yesterday. It was due to warming it this morning again, so it was on the stove for too long. So yeah. So guys, what I normally do is that I normally mix my ofada rice with normal white rice that we buy from the store. The idea is for me to just manage my ofada rice and still get the same taste and the same flavor from ofada rice. So what I do is I'm just gonna mix it. So automatically, by the time this ofada rice is done, you won't know that it has been mixed with anything because the ofada rice aroma is so powerful that it overshadows this one added to it. So I know the little ofada rice won't be enough for us, so I decided to have this one to it, and we still get the normal ofada flavor, you know. That's the deal. Oh my god. So guys, I am back. I just came back from praying. So this is what the pepper is looking like right now. It's quite dry. I'm just going to turn up the stove, and this is the rice. Oh, Johnny Law. Yeah, so just gonna proceed with the stew. So guys, I quickly want to show you those cow bones. Look at it. So you guys, you don't have to be like me. You can actually go for normal meat. You can actually go for normal cow meat, normal red meat, normal chicken. But I love those cow bones, and I buy them for three reasons. Number one is because they're very cheap, very, very cheap. I got like double of this for €3, and you guys, you might think they are bones, but they have a lot of meat stuck in there. And also I bought them because I'm trying to reduce my red meat intake, because I know they're not good for our health. So you know, that's a way of reducing. Instead of me to buy proper big meat, I'll just buy these ones, and I'll just be struggling and be taking the little piece of meat inside. In that way, I'm not eating as much meat as I would have eaten if I had gone for the normal meat. And the third reason why I buy this thing is because honestly, I love cow bones. Like, I love to chew the bones. So those are the reasons, guys. So please don't judge me. I just love to eat the cow bones. Like I said in one of my videos, I can't remember which video, but I love to use this thing for rice sauce or for fada sauce, anything like that. So I'm gonna be using it for this sauce today. I have this frozen shaki. Actually, I have more in the freezer, but they are raw. So this is the only one I've actually boiled. I've used it to this level. I actually boiled a lot, and I've been using it. So this is a little one that is remaining, so I'm going to be using this as well. Here I have my palm oil, and I'm just waiting for it to bleach. I'm going to be bleaching my palm oil, you know. Guys, look at how this is looking already. Look at how this is looking. Guys, look at this ofada rice. Will you ever think that this ofada rice was mixed with another type of rice? No. So I do the mixing a lot. What I just do is I make sure that the ofada rice is more than the other rice that I'm mixing with it. I'm sure you can already imagine the combination, these two combinations. Yes, I'm just going to cover this and leave it on a medium heat so it doesn't get burnt.
Good morning, ma. 22.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, ma.
22. And this is for Alhamis. Okay. How was the school today?
The school was fine.
I'm for cover camera. How was the school? They welcome.
Fine.
What should I most I wear for?
Amiwa.
I'm not lucky daddy back in Dele. Let me go down.
My girl. My Tangela girl. Amira.
Amira, kiss daddy. Kiss daddy.
Mom, you don't know
Good
that.
girl.
But you don't know that.
Harris, don't spoil it, okay? Don't break it, okay? It's for Aliamin, okay? Don't break it, okay? What's the badge? Hello, badge.
Oh, no, budget.
Hello, badge, Harris. Amira? Amira, no budget.
I'm not going to budget. I was going to go budget.
Harris, who broke it? Amira?
Yeah. I'm not going to budget.
What's going on? So guys, this is my... Harris, hold on.
We need to fix it again.
Okay, so guys, this is the sauce. At some point I had to remove the cover because the water from the cover was dripping into the sauce. So now it's ready. So guys, we are done eating and I am so full. To the glory of God, I'm so happy. Like, I feel like just going straight to bed right now, but I can't do that because Amira, I can't do that because I have to upload the video today. Yes, actually I've started editing the video, but I'm not done editing the video, so I have to like finish the editing and then upload it tonight by God's grace. By the time you're seeing this video, that video I want to upload should have been up. The title of the video I'm uploading today is 5 things to consider before tying the knot. So before getting married, tying the knot, going to the altar. Yeah, in case you've not seen that video, please go back. The link is going to pop up somewhere here. Just go and click it and go watch it. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Sorry. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to click the like button. It helps me out a lot. Please click the like button if you like the video. Share this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.